Introducing our 2014 Kenworth T680 Trade Group. All units are equipped with Kenworth's Vantage interior. A 52-inch high-rise sleeper provides plenty of comfort without adding unneeded weight. PACCAR's own MX-13 brings these trucks to life. Sporting a 52-inch high-rise sleeper, air ride suspension, a 210-inch wheelbase, Dana Spicer rear axles in a 3.25 ratio, a PACCAR 455 horsepower engine with a factory engine brake, an Eaton 13-speed Ultra Shift transmission, dual 90-gallon fuel tanks, and a fixed fifth wheel offering multiple settings. Available in red, black, and white. Mileages range from 330,000 to about 400,000. Average fuel economy is 7 or more miles per gallon. Financing is available for most buyers.